Alright, so I thought I would be a cool kid and get in line to go and see the new iPad 2 that's coming out today over here in Bethesda. And it looks like I'm not going to have anywhere to get in because the line is going down the block, down the daggum block, dear God, everybody and their mom wants to go and get an iPad number 2. This is ridiculous. Yeah, this is ridiculous. What a cult following. All these people waiting for a daggum iPad 2. Somebody shoot me. That's amazing. And look at the lucky few who got in there first. Ding! Well, daggum. That's amazing. At the very least, I hope they go and patronize some of the other stores around here. That'd be pretty damn cool.